Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Sid. Hey citizens, how y'all doing today? I'm super excited. I'm always excited to share my gifts with you guys. And today I'm back with a really exciting gift. I'm like super excited for this. I know I'm always excited for all my gifts. That's because I appreciate everything that I get for myself or babe because we work very hard for our stuff. Today, guys, I am doing another Cartier unboxing, and guys, I'm just like, I cannot believe that I have this. It's an item that you dream about. If maybe 10 or 12 years ago, I used to say, one day I'm going to get this item, and I'm at the point in my life where I can treat myself to these items, and it's just like a reward. I do good with my business, have a great milestone or something, and then I reward myself or my husband reward me. And I'm just so excited. So excited! I'm ecstatic. Like, I'm happy for it. Well, because you guys know I've been building my stack, and I have my love bracelet, and then I have the Just Clue. Yes. So yes, I added something else, and I'm so excited about it. I don't even know. Let's just stop talking and let's just get it open. But first, we're going to get a thumbnail. Y'all know we got to get a thumbnail. Here it is. Let's do it. Thumbnail. Okay, guys. So I might put some little clips in when I actually went to the store. And you guys know it was a price increase maybe a couple months ago. I have some clips of the price increase. And yes, maybe 6 weeks ago it was a price increase, or I can't even remember how long it was. But this been sitting for a while. It was actually a birthday gift. And I didn't open it for my birthday. I was holding it to get around to share it with you guys. And I just got really busy, and I was so desperate. I was going to open it and not even do a sit down video, but I decided, like, you know what, I'm going to share everything with you guys. So I'm going to continue to share. So you know how they say this money's burning a hole in my pocket. This been sitting in my room for weeks, guys. So I got it before my birthday because of the price increase. So I got it before the price increase. Thank you, because oh my goodness. So, it comes in a beautiful red bag. Don't we love the beautiful red bag? And I have a travel pouch. And it comes with a cute little pillow. And I don't know if I will really use the travel pouch because I haven't took my love bracelet off since I got it. But my Just Clue, I take that off sometime. But it's just nice to have the travel case just in case. So, comes with the travel case. And of course, you get plenty of perfume samples. I have so many of these perfume samples. He always hook me up. More perfume samples. I have so many samples. I probably won't even buy the perfume. I can just use the samples. Alright, and then it comes with your little booklet, and inside your booklet comes your sales rep sales card, your receipt, and date of purchase. So this was actually purchased on June 26th. So that was maybe a week or two before the price increase. Because we wasn't supposed to get this, I think, until Christmas. And then when I heard about the price increase, I can't remember which YouTuber mentioned the price increase. And I was like, you know what? Should I go now? Should I wait? And I'm glad that I I decided to get it for my birthday instead of Christmas because of the price increase. Yes, I saved some money. I think I saved maybe $1,000. So then, you know, you get your certificate. Here's your certificate, and then it puts in like a little code, and it has like a seal, and it has your numbers on it, and it's 18 karat gold. Yes, so and it always comes in these pretty nice little booklets, and I keep all my certificates in my safety deposit box at my bank. And it comes, you guys know, oh, my stamp came apart. I didn't even know. Look, guys, comes with a beautiful stamp wrapped up. So let's just get it open. And like I said, the plan was I was saving for this for Christmas. But when I heard about the price increase, I said, no, I'm going to get it now and just get it and open it for my birthday. There's no way I could hold this until Christmas. And then I didn't even open it for my birthday. Open it. Let's get it open. It comes in a beautiful red box. Here it is. And another beautiful red box that opens this way, and then the box just slides out. And then it just pops open here. Let's see if I can do it. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Yes, I have the love bracelet with the 4 diamonds. And let me see, I haven't seen it since I brought it home. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love it. I don't even want to touch it, guys. It's so, so beautiful. Look. Oh my goodness. Guys, when we went to the store and they tried it on me and everything. I know what size I need. I get my love bracelets is a size 16, and my Just Unclued is a size 15. And when you plan on stacking, you want the Just Unclued, I guess, runs a little bit bigger, so you always size down. So I just love the way it looked when I was in the store. It was just so pretty. So now I'm going to have Babe come and put it on me because I don't want to touch it and I don't want to do it myself. But yes, I'm so, so happy. Alright, so I'm going to get Babe and I will be right back, guys. Alright, come put my bracelet on, Babe. Wait. You need some gloves or something, Babe. Put your glove on. This time I got him, y'all. He's not putting my bracelet. I don't want no fingerprints on my bracelet.
There we go. How's that?
You remember what he told you to do?
I'll figure it out.
Oh,
no, I'm joking.
Babe.
It's all right.
Got it?
Ooh.
Ain't it beautiful? And this is the same. Oh, wait. So I said a 16. I have a 17 and a 16 Just Unclued. This is a 17. This is a 17? I thought I had a 16.
I don't know. Maybe it's a 17 as well. So it can go over the bone. I remember him saying something like if it was smaller,
it would rub up
on
against
bone.
my bone. Yeah.
Okay, so.
So should I put it in the front or behind? I don't think I want it behind. Yeah. Because this
like
rubs
levels.
against that. Yeah.
It's levels.
It's levels to this?
It's levels.
You got it, babe?
Yes, ma'am.
Please take your time.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not in a
Babe.
rush. I need 2 gloves.
You want me to hold it?
Nope. You told me what to do. Rest it like this.
Mm-hmm. And then he said turn a little bit and then turn the other one. And then go back and forth.
You get your fingers off of it, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
You don't have the expert glove on.
Oh, okay.
So you can't be finagling with it.
So you think you worked up. Well, that one came loose, babe.
I got it, baby.
Babe, it's not funny.
I got you, baby. There it goes, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Did I pass your test, ma'am?
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's
You're
good,
a
right?
professional. Just a little.
Okay.
Oh,
Look how shiny that one is.
let me give it a little.
Mm-hmm.
They do when they're in the store.
Yeah.
Make sure it gets a little.
Do that again, babe. That's my thumbnail. Okay, guys. I don't know if you can see this really well. But, oh my goodness. It is so beautiful. There we go. You can see it. Oh, this is my new stack. I love it. Okay, guys, that is it for my Cartier Love Bracelet unboxing. I know this video was a little short, but I wanted to be short and sweet and straight to the point. So thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new here and you like videos like this, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. And become official citizen. Yes, become official citizen. If you're not a citizen right now and you're watching, I don't know what you're waiting for, honey. Until the next time, still signing off. Okay, guys. Oh. Babe, why are you over there laughing? That's why I said you can't be in here while I'm recording.
Oh, I'm later.